Good morning, everybody. We are on day 3, day 4. I don't even remember anymore. I think it's day 4. It is about 6:45 in the morning. It's supposed to rain today at like 10 o'clock. So I got a little early start to hopefully get a few miles in. Hopefully maybe even make it to the campsite by 10, 11 o'clock before it starts raining. I am now officially solo. I just left the campsite. My other 2 friends are heading back home. I'm going to finish the trail solo. It is a nice, brisk morning. It's like maybe 40 degrees. I have no service, so I have no idea actually what temperature it is. I'm just guessing. It's probably like 40 degrees. It's supposed to warm up to a high of like 59 or something. But it's supposed to rain, like I said, all day today. From like 11 until I think 11 p.m. on the next day, Thursday. Gorgeous, isn't it? Very hazy. Hazy morning. Alright, well, we got 8.5 miles to do today. So we better get started. Oh, I just climbed a steep staircase up to the top of this cliff. It's rather gorgeous up here. I don't think I've ever seen Lake Superior this calm. This is definitely not the Lake Superior that we know in Minnesota. Second breakfast. Here we go, folks. On a little outlet here, which has a beautiful 180-degree view. All the way around. Absolutely beautiful. I am standing, what, maybe 100 feet up off the water? Yikes. It's kind of a neat little waterfall. Cascading down the wall. Moss-covered wall. Alright, so we are climbing up higher yet. Now it looks like, that's a rough estimate, and I'm probably a terrible judge of height, but I'd say that's probably like 400 or 500 feet. Yeah, so we're climbing up. Pretty epic. So we're back in another desert forest, I guess you would call it. I don't know. It's a really weird terrain. It's like sand. It's like a desert sand. But we're in the forest. I don't know how to describe it. It's just like, it's weird. The sandy forest. I've gone through a couple of these. It just blows my mind. Alright everybody, we have arrived here at Spray Falls. Absolutely gorgeous. Stunning. Spray Falls. I mean, besides the waterfall, this view here is just as spectacular. There's some ducks down there. Oh, yes. That water is just crystal clear. See all the rock formations under the water. And here, my friends, we have reached the top of those Spray Falls. This is as close as I'm gonna get. Amazing. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Chapel Rock. We made it. There'll be a few different viewpoints to view this from that I'll show. This is the viewpoint number 1. I wonder how many people have climbed across that route right there. Crazy. Now I'm down at the lower viewpoint. This tells about it a little bit. Okay. There she is. It's just cool. It has that one huge pine tree on top. Just perched up like on a pedestal. Chapel Falls, I'm assuming. Very fast moving, very shallow falls. The kids would love to play in this. Especially on a nice hot summer day. Yeah, here's the lower part of the falls. It looks like it'd be a lot of fun to play in the hot summer day. And then you got the beach right over here. Mom can lay on the beach. Kids can play in the river here. Awesome. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I believe, 90% sure that is Chapel Gateway. I was a little wrong about the name. I was right about the location, but it's actually called the Grand Portal. For some reason, I had Gateway in mind. But we are standing on top of it at Grand Portal Point. Alright. Look at this. A question mark. Possibly made by our friends from Ohio. They said they were going to leave us some messages because they were ahead of us. Well, if that was you from Ohio who made the question mark, toodles. Hopefully they'll find this channel and join us. Wow. It seems that I found some more sand art. Looks like someone wrote Ohio in the sand here. Maybe it was our friend for a while. Well, good for them. Hello everyone. We made it to camp, Mosquito Campground. It's kind of raining on and off. It keeps starting and stopping. So I'm just kind of hanging out in my tent. I'm just gonna hang out and stay out of the rain. I'm glad I made it here before I got wet. It kind of was sprinkling on me here and there, and then when I got here it started raining a little harder, and then it stopped. Alright, here's the story, folks. So, it was supposed to rain all night tonight, but it's not. So, I packed up all my stuff, headed back out. I'm gonna try to do, there's like 3.5 more miles, and there's another campsite up there I think I'm gonna try to get into. It's supposed to rain even more tomorrow. So I'm basically just trying to get ahead of tomorrow. I've made it to Miners Beach. Here's Miners Beach. What's up, buddy? He doesn't seem to mind that I'm here. Hi, buddy. You're in my trail, and it's raining. I won't harm you. I'm just gonna go by. Gorgeous. Bye, buddy. Have a good night. Stay dry. So, I made it to the Cliffs. It's actually the Cliffs group site, but nobody's ever here, so I figured nobody would mind. But I made it. It's still raining. Got some Bob Dylan going. I'm just relaxing, about to make some dinner. So I'll probably make some dinner, go to bed, and then maybe we'll get up early in the morning and hike the last 6.2 miles. 6.2 miles out of here to my car. Now the only problem is stuffing and mashed potatoes or rice.